Imagine waking up one morning, swinging your legs out of bed, and feeling a surprising spring in your step. No stiffness, no heaviness, just strength and stability. You have not felt in years. For so many seniors, that moment feels like a distant memory as leg weakness creeps in with age, making simple tasks like climbing stairs or standing up feel like monumental challenges. The mystery behind why legs grow weaker, especially in the morning, baffles 99% of older adults. But the truth is, it's not just aging at play, it's often a mix of poor circulation, nutrient deficiencies, and inflammation quietly sapping your strength. After 60, leg power can slip by up to 3% each years, even without injury. But here is the exciting news. Groundbreaking research reveals you can start reversing that decline in as little as 12 hours by eating the right foods. Picture this: a small glass of tart cherry juice, a bowl of warm lentils, or a plate of sauteed spinach could be the key to unlocking stronger, more responsive legs by tomorrow morning. These are not just ordinary foods, they are scientifically backed powerhouses that tackle inflammation, boost blood flow, and rebuild muscle fibers with shocking speed, as seen in real senior who have transformed their mobility overnight. Let's dive into the 8 incredible foods that can recharge your legs, starting with the unsung hero, pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds might not scream muscles builders, but they are packed with magnesium, zinc, and potassium, nutrients your leg crave to contract properly and avoid cramps or fatigue. A study in magnesium research found that seniors with low magnesium level felt nearly twice as tired during walking tests, but just 2 tablespoons of soaked pumpkin seeds can kickstart muscle repair in hours. Soak them overnight to boost nutrient absorption, then sprinkle them over oatmeal or blend them into a smoothie for quick morning fix that eases cough tightness and powers up your steps. Next up, tart cherry juice. Not the sugary cocktail kind, but 100% pure unsweetened tart cherry juice, a vibrant red elixir loaded with anthocyanin that slash inflammation and clear out lactic acid. The culprit behind post-activity soreness. A study in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sport showed seniors who sipped 2 servings daily saw a 23% drop in muscle discomfort and stronger quadriceps after walking or climbing stairs, with effect kicking in within 8 to 12 hours. Drink 6 to 8 ounces in the evening, may be diluted with water if the tartness bites, and wake up to legs that feel lighter and ready to move. Then there's cooked spinach, a lush green that's far more than a side dish. It's a nutrient bomb packed with nitrates, magnesium, and potassium, all vital for nerve, muscle communication, and oxygen flow. A Frontiers in Physiology study found that seniors eating nitrate rich food like spinach improved lower limb performance by up to 16%, with one meal boosting walking speed and endurance in just 12 hours. The magic happened because spinach nitrates convert to nitric oxide, winding blood vessels to flood your leg muscles with oxygen and nutrients, reducing fatigue and enhancing coordination. Fresh spinach with garlic and a drizzle of olive oil. Avoid overboiling to keep those nutrients intact, and add it to eggs or soaps for daily leg strengthening ritual. Lentils, those humble little seeds, come next, offering a perfect trifecta of protein, slow release carbs, and essential minerals like leucine, which sparks muscle repair. A journal of gerontology trials showed seniors eating lentils daily for 2 weeks gained 22% more muscle endurance in leg based tasks with faster response times and better balance. Their slow digestion ensures a steady energy supply, preventing the wobbliness that hits after standing or walking. Cook dried lentils with turmeric or garlic for an anti inflammatory boost and mix them into soup or a veggie mash for a meal that stabilizes blood sugar and supports gut health, keeping inflammation at bay. Quinoa, often mistaken for a grain, is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, a rare find in plant based foods. A journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition study found that swapping refined carbs for quinoa reduced discomfort and boosted muscle endurance after just 1 day. Its magnesium prevents nighttime cramps while its slow digesting carbs keep energy steady. Quinoa to remove bitter saponins, then simmer it in broth and pair it with spinach or eggs for a lunch that leaves your hamstrings and quads feeling stronger by evening. Salmon, a superstar beyond heart health, delivers omega 3s, vitamin D, and high quality protein that tackle inflammation and fuel muscle repair. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed seniors eating salmon 3 times a week gain 24% more leg strength in 10 days, particularly around the knees and thighs, thanks to omega 3 as reducing cytokines that cause stiffness and vitamin D enhancing muscle contractions. Grill or bake wild caught salmon with lemon and herbs. Skip the sugary glazes, and 4 ounce protein at dinner can make morning movement smoother and more confident. Beats those vibrant root veggies or a circulation powerhouse packed junior with nitrates that turn into nitric oxide, opening blood vessels to flood your muscles with oxygen. A Journal of Gerontology study found seniors drinking beet juice before walking saw a 90% boost in speed and leg performance in hours, while another in hypertension linked daily beet juice to lower blood pressure and better vascular flexibility, reducing fatigue and improving mobility. Blend beets into smoothie or sip pure beetroot juice 30 minutes before activity and feel your legs respond with less heaviness and more energy. Topping the list is bone broth, not just soup but a nutrient dense elixir brimming with collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline that repair muscles and lubricates joints. A Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism study found that collagen rich bone broth boosted muscle strength and flexibility by 36% in a week, with leg function improving in just 24 hours. A Japanese study echoed this, showing glycine sped up muscle recovery by nearly 40% in a day. Sip a cup of homemade or high quality store bought bone broth simmered with apple cider vinegar and herbs on an empty stomach or post walk and feel stiffness melt away as your legs move more fluidly. These foods are not just meal, they are a strategy to rebuild your foundation, tackling the root causes of leg weakness, poor circulation, inflammation, and slow recovery. Picture starting your day with small glass of tart cherry or beet juice on an empty stomach, letting their anti-inflammatory and circulation boosting power work before breakfast. Pair protein like salmon or bone broth with slow carbs like quinoa or lentils to sustain energy and avoid midday fatigue. After a morning walk, sip warm bone broth to jumpstart muscle repair or munch soaked pumpkin seeds to ease cramps and boost magnesium. Even a small serving of cooked spinach with your eggs can flood your legs with nitrates for better blood flow. These are not quick fixes, they are science based tools that work in hours, as shown in studies where seniors reported less pain, better balance, and stronger steps. The beauty is in the simplicity: no pills, no complex routines, just real food you can find at any grocery store. Try one today, maybe a warm lentil soup or a salmon fillet, and by tomorrow you might notice your legs feel lighter, your steps surer. Stack these food into your routine, and each bite build toward a life where you move with confidence, free from the fear of stumbling. Which one will you try first? Maybe you are picturing yourself savoring a tangy glass of cherry juice or stirring a pot of bone broth, knowing you are nourishing your leg back to strength. Share your story, your city, your excitement in the comment, because this is not just about food, it's about reclaiming the freedom to move, to live, to thrive. Your legs are your foundation, and with these 8 foods, they will carry you further than you ever thought possible.